this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick method to clean up Drive C on Windows 10. Now, cleaning up your Windows computer or your Drive C will help optimize your computer and also make your computer run much faster. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we are not going to use any third-party software. We are just going to use inbuilt tools within Windows 10 to perform disk cleanup. So there are quite a number of steps that you can take. So in the first step, go ahead and right-click on Start menu. And then under it, you'll see an option called Run. So if you tap on Run, type in temp, just like that, and then tap on OK. Go ahead and click on Continue. And now you'll see here, we have quite a number of temporary files that are not needed. So go ahead and select all of them and then delete all of them. Under this, there are some files that cannot be deleted. So go ahead and click on Skip, but also click on this, do this for all current items. So I'll click this and then skip, and that will clean up. Again, go ahead and right click on Start menu and then click on Run. And this time, go ahead and add percentage at the beginning of temp and at the end of temp. And again, click on OK. We also have another set of files, and as you can see, there are quite too many, and we also need to eradicate these. Select all of them and then delete. And this will go ahead and delete them. Again, go ahead and tap on Run, and then this time round, under Prefetch, and then OK. Also click on Continue. And you also have some temporary files here under Prefetch. Go ahead and select all of them, then delete. And here we go, it's done. Then take the next step, and the next step is to go and delete any unwanted program that is on your computer. So to do so, go ahead and click on Control Panel. Then under Control Panel, look for this option called Programs and Features. So under this, you'll be able to see all the programs that are available on your computer, and then identify all the programs that you no longer need or that are lying idle on your computer. Here, go ahead and click on the identified programs, then right click on it and choose the uninstall option, and then this will go ahead and then uninstall the programs that are on your computer that you no longer need. This will free up much of your space on your computer. Once you are done on that, it's time to go ahead and empty our recycle bin. That is the next step that you need to take. So go and click on recycle bin, which is here. These are deleted files that are on our computer. So whenever you delete a file without using the shift combination, the file is usually stored on the recycle bin. However, if you want to empty the recycle bin, just go ahead and select all the items, then choose the option called here, empty recycle bin. Now this will go ahead and delete all the items on our recycle bin. And now, as you can see, I have quite a number of them, and it will take some few minutes to do this. Now, if you go ahead, you'll find you have quite a number of free space on your Drive C that was almost full. And the next step is to perform a complete disk cleanup. And to do this, just click here and then search for disk cleanup. And as you can see, we have this cleanup option here. So choose this, and this will go ahead and clean up the system. So this will go ahead and calculate how much space you will be able to free on our hard disk. So go ahead and select all these files and then click on OK. And you have to select if you're sure you want to permanently delete these files. And some of the files that will be deleted will include Windows Update Cleanup, download program files, temporary internet files, among others. So I'll go ahead and click on OK. And then this will go ahead and clean up my Drive C. Now the last step you want to take is to go ahead and optimize your Windows 10 computer. To do that, go ahead and click on this PC, and then right click on your local disk C or Drive C. If you right click on it, go ahead and choose the option called Properties. And then under this, go ahead and choose Tools. And under Tools, you can see we have an option to optimize and defragment drive. And we're told here optimizing your computer's drives can help it run more efficiently. So I'll go ahead and click on Optimize, and this will go ahead and highlight all the drives that you have on your computer. Go ahead and choose Drive C. Then you'll see an option here to optimize. Go ahead and click on it, and it will go ahead and optimize your Drive C. So by following these steps, your computer will be running now much faster, and your Drive C will be optimized to give you the best performance. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.